Good morning, everyone. So I'm back on Rohit NG Tom Wandering Stallion, and especially I'm remembering today Wales, Cardiff, where I spent around 5 years of my life, and 4.5 to 5 years of my life, and it was a lovely experience. And I always weigh that above my life in India, although I will be spending my life in India, but I really weigh that highly. So when I'm back, and as I said last time, that I'll be continuing with one album. So I'm left with two tracks from the movie Sergeant 1991 when I started to understand a bit of music. So I'll be doing two of those two tracks, and probably then I will end up with doing just one from Namaste London, which I really feel like doing as well. So coming to life in general, what makes me nervous because I'm single. So even our parents tell me you are single. So in case we go out of town for say 10 to 20 days, how will you manage? I always tell them that I can manage and keep a few pets maybe. And what makes me more nervous is in case these days is living with humans. I think I would be better off living with the animals maybe. Yeah, yeah, and that's the reason I always I prefer to have a small house. But like that's why in my own house I've divided it further into a small house. Like I'm living like people live in UK, like in a small room. That's what I prefer. It makes me less nervous. So even my own house, I've created my own room, which is now a bit different. Like it's a small. I've divided it further the house into a smaller room, which I'm living. I love living nuclear, and in fact, I only prefer to meet people who are living nuclear. That's what I prefer. I don't like living in joint families now. So that's what makes me nervous because that's what life has taught me. Having lived alone for a long period of time, that's how it has gone. So let's start doing karaoke now. And before doing karaoke, I just want to say 16th and 17th. Today is 17th, yeah. So 16th and 17th would be remembered as a day, very tough day for Dehradun because floods came, and I myself went to Landore also recently, and when I saw the video of the way to Mussoorie, which has been broken, and also what has happened in other parts of Dehradun outer, so much water and even casualties, the news is coming. It's very sad. Hope peace prevails, and I like rains, but hope it stops raining now and becomes brighter now because this year it's been too much of rainfall has been happening. Number of subscribers are reducing on Instagram. I don't mind it. Maybe the genuine ones will stay. And on YouTube, I also got a small list. So good morning to everyone, and a special good morning to Wales, my first love, my first country, my first home. Although I will spend my life in India, and I really like India also. Although I don't travel much, I don't go anywhere, but still, it's okay. But Wales as a separate part of my lives, the underground trains, London, visiting those places was amazing. Let's start karaoke and finish off this movie Sergeant with the two remaining tracks which I'm left with. Here I go. Hopefully I get the music right. This is about child. तू शायर है, मैं तेरी शायरी, तू शायर है, मैं तेरी शायरी, तू आशिक है, मैं तेरी आशिकी, तुझे मिलने को दिल करता है, तुझे मिलने को दिल करता है, ओ मेरे साजना, तू शायर है, मैं तेरी शायरी, तू आशिक है, मैं तेरी आशिकी. तेरी हर नज़्म तेरा हर गीत है याद मुझे, तेरी हर नज़्म तेरा हर गीत है याद मुझे, जब तक सांस चलेगी न भूलूंगी मैं तो तुझे, तेरे बिना जीना नहीं, खा के कसम कहती हूँ, तेरे बिना जीना नहीं, खा के कसम कहते हूँ। मैंने बिना देखे बिना जाने तुझे दिल दे दिया, तू धड़कन है मैं तेरी जिंदगी, तू शायर है मैं तेरी शायरी, तु, तुझे मिलने को दिल करता है, तुझे मिलने को दिल करता है, ओ मेरे साजना, तू शायर है मैं तेरी शायरी, तू आशिक है मैं तेरी आशिकी। अपनी बेताबियों का मैं कैसे तुझसे इजहार करूं, अपनी बेताबियों का मैं कैसे तुझसे इजहार करूं, कैसे बतलाऊं तुझे जाने जाना कितना मैं प्यार करूं। लब पे कोई नाम नहीं तेरे सिवा मेरे साजन, लब पे कोई नाम नहीं तेरे सिवा मेरे साजन, मेरे इस दिल पे तेरा ही नशा छा गया, तू दीवाना मैं तेरी दीवानगी, तू शायर है मैं तेरी शायरी, तुझे मिलने को दिल करता है, तुझे मिलने को दिल करता है, ओ मेरे साजना, तू शायर है मैं तेरी शायरी, तू आशिक है मैं तेरी आशिकी। Such a beautiful track. So as I was saying, living in nuclear families, I don't mind meeting relatives. I don't like meeting people. But in case I have to stay with others, it's a very, very selective in that. Even my personal life, I would prefer to stay in case I will have a girlfriend. In case I have a girlfriend in the future, I will have to stay with that person. But not with humans mostly. I live with the parents, that's okay. Or my real sibling, that's okay. But other than that, anyone coming in to meet me, it's okay. You can meet me, I can meet you. But I would prefer to live locally. Life has taught me that thing. I don't mind living with pets, and you can see my pet is even using my bed. I don't. I'm not discriminating. And of course, shaking hands. That's what I really love doing. I love meeting people with a shake hand, hugs, which defines a true spirit and humbleness in a human being, which I really love. Let's go for the next track. Before I need to post it. Follow me on the Star Maker ID 6211 621125. 6211-250-9526. So, last track of this beautiful 1991 movie, when actually I started to understand a bit of music. So this is another track which I really love. This is going to be the last track of this particular movie. I'm pretty much sure. Yeah. This is going to be the one which is already only left here. So I'll be doing that one. All the Star Maker, which is I again lost the track. I think which one was that? I'm just forgetting that. I need to find out which one was it. I did this one. Posting same sometimes. So coming to like what actually I learned from living abroad, maybe in Cardiff, was of course my communication skills became good. But I don't try to sing in English tracks for the simple reason that basically there's a tone and the music involved which I might struggle. So definitely when I try tracks which is for fun, I only do on this one which is in typical Bollywood tracks, you can say. So yeah, I'm back again. So just need to post this one on the app before I think about more doing something else. Yeah, yes, that one is done. Yeah, this is the last one. Yeah, I got it. देखा है पहली बार साजन की आंखों में प्यार टुरुरु, 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 हम जाके आया मेरे बेचैन दिल को करार टुरुरु, 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 दिल भर तुझे मिलने को कब से थी मैं बेकरार अब जाके आया मेरे बेचैन दिल को करार देखा है पहली. This is the last track of this movie, Sajan. And 7 tracks, I'll miss this album. This is a beautiful 1991 album. Here I go, last track. Follow me on the Star Maker app ID 6211-250-9526, and also you can subscribe to me on YouTube, Rohit NG Tom, One Big Star. देखा है पहली. I lost the connection, sorry. Need to restart it. This thing happens again. These things happen.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Let's start again. देखा है पहली बार साजन की आंखों में प्यार. देखा है पहली बार साजन की आंखों में प्यार. अब जाके आया मेरे बेचैन दिल को करार. दिल भर तुझे मिलने को कब
से था मैं बेकरार, अब जाके आया मेरे बेचैन दिल को करार। देखा है पहली बार साजन की आंखों में प्यार, अब जाके आया मेरे बेचैन दिल को करार। पल के झुकाऊं तुझे दिल में बसाऊं, अब बिन तेरे मैं तो कहीं चैन न पाऊं। पल के झुकाऊं तुझे दिल में बसाऊं, अब बिन तेरे मैं तो कहीं चैन न पाऊं। तू मेरा जिगर है, तू मेरी नजर है, तू मेरी आरज़ू, तू मेरा हमसफर है। देखा है पहली बार साजन की आंखों में प्यार, अब जाके आया मेरे बेचैन दिल को करार। मेरी अदाएं ये मेरी जवानी बस तेरे लिए है, ये मेरी जिंदगानी। मेरी अदाएं ये मेरी जवानी बस तेरे लिए है, ये मेरी जिंदगानी। तू मेरी गजल है, तू मेरा तराना, आ तेरी धड़कनों पे लिख दूं दिल का फसाना। देखा है पहली बार साजन की आंखों में प्यार, देखा है पहली बार जानम की आंखों में प्यार, अब जाके आया मेरे बेचैन दिल को करार। दिलबर तुझे मिलने को कब से थी मैं बेकरार, अब जाके आया मेरे बेचैन दिल को करार। देखा है पहली बार साजन की आंखों में प्यार,
So that was the beautiful album Sargent, 7 tracks, and this will be staying on YouTube. I don't know when I use YouTube, but it will be staying on YouTube. Where my ID is Rohit NG Tom, One Big Star. Subscribe to me on YouTube. And also you can follow me on the Star Maker ID 6211250956. So I'm coming back again. This video is closed. for a short track on London and then remembering London. Next album I'll be definitely picking up someday, hopefully sometime. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Bye bye. आ रहा हूँ अभी